fingers in. Right, so. Where sometimes an extra glove can help as the heat shoots along the bar, travels down the bar. You should really use tongs, but if you can get away with using a glove, it's a lot easier. Cutting it at an angle has kind of done a lot of the work for us. So let's try and get a nice even shape. You make sure that the blob you've got on the end is roughly to the shape you want. Makes it a lot easier when you thin it out. Right, so. Do is really work that inside curve. You can all, I mean, I'll forge it down as much as I can, but ultimately in the end you can get it, you can use the mop. That one, that's called a mop, or a linisher. Just layers of sandpaper stacked on top of each other. That gives a really nice finish. One more. So you're looking for a nice long taper there and a straight edge there. Then stretch that.
If we're using a spring, we don't want to quench it, do we?
No. No. If you're using a spring steel, you just have to put up with the heat. So I'll put a little. This is taken from a Viking thing, I think. I can't remember. And they like to have things on ropes and stuff like that. So a little circle on the end.
Spring handle was originally Roman, I think.
Sorry?
The spring handle was originally Roman, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do this over the bit. If you want, you can pull it round one of our little jigs. Can, if you like, a pair of tongs on the middle, pull it round a bit, and done it right, it should. There we go, it's not a Tommy Cooper night tonight, which is nice. Depending on what you can do is I like it quite wide, but if you want it for a smaller hand, you just need to squash it down a little bit. And that's basically it. There we go. Punch it. And that's that. So what I'll do now is get the mop, just tidy that up a little bit. When you're using this machine, just be aware that they're actually dangerous.